Stuck with an Amazon gift card and need cold, hard cash? Amazon gift cards are great for online shopping, but sometimes life demands flexible spending, unfortunately. Amazon doesn't offer a direct way to transfer your gift card balance to a debit card, but don't lose hope. We will explore some workarounds. First, consider selling your gift card. Several reputable websites, such as CardCash or Raise, allow you to sell your gift card for cash. Simply input your gift card details, and they'll provide an offer, usually a bit less than the full value if you accept. You'll receive payment via direct deposit to your linked debit card. Remember to carefully research the website's reputation and fees before proceeding. Another option is buying a prepaid debit card. Use your Amazon gift card to purchase items you can easily resell, like electronics or popular household goods. Then sell these items locally through platforms like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Use the cash you get from the sale to purchase a prepaid debit card from a store, and voila! You now have an actual debit card. You can use it in your everyday life. Lastly, think about gifting. You could always transfer the items to a friend or family member in need in place of the money. So, while transferring directly isn't possible, these methods can help you convert your Amazon gift card balance into usable cash on your debit card. Remember to weigh the pros and cons of each method, considering fees, effort, and potential value loss, and subscribe for more money-saving tips.